Good morning, YouTube. How's everyone doing? Ben Crypto here to give you another video. And today's video is going to be about Bitcoin halving. I want to give a shout out to DMZ, Telegram group, and Greenhouse. You can find me in either or you can always send me a direct message at Ben Crypto. So without further ado, Bitcoin spiked this morning. And it is looking good. There is a pullback happening right now on the hourly chart. But let's look at the daily right now. It's looking overbought right now. So, and that could be because miners are not selling as often. And that was this is a point that I wanted to bring up in the upcoming Bitcoin halving. So what's going to happen on May 11th is every 10 minutes, or what is currently happening, right? So every 10 minutes, a miner somewhere in the world finds a block on Bitcoin's network, receiving a reward of 12.5 Bitcoin. Essentially, this means 12.5 new Bitcoins hit the market every 10 minutes. So every 10 minutes, there's most likely someone selling 12.5 Bitcoin, because obviously they worked for the Bitcoin and then now they're looking for their reward, which is most likely fiat, is what they're looking for. On May 11th, that reward drops down to 6.25 Bitcoin, paying miners less for the same amount of work. So what's going to happen is, or what I feel is happening, there's less sellers due to the upcoming halving. Less sellers because the miners are probably holding the Bitcoin and trying to get the price to increase. Probably, my opinion, probably before the halving, there's probably going to be either a dump, or after the halving, there's probably going to be a dump because they're trying to get the most out of it. Or they could just hodl and wait for the price, because once that changes, it depends. We might not have as many miners because of that rate. So there might be a few, miners that are not even going to mine Bitcoin anymore because of the difficulty is going to change. So just wanted to make you aware of that. Just be on the lookout for that, because I think it is important to know, there's a lot of people that are buying right now because they're buying because of the halving, and then they're looking to dump. So if you're one of those people, just keep an eye out for that, because look, this is overbought on the daily. This is really high. This has been fairly consistent. So there's a lot of people probably shorting right now, or were shorting for the past couple of days and getting taken out. So, and this is still going up. MACD is still going up. It hasn't really sloped yet. It sloped a little bit here, but it looks like it's still pushing. So right now, and then as you can see, this is fanning out and it's going up. So yeah, that's it. I also came back or started utilizing GooseX trading bot. I'm looking to, like I said before in my previous videos, I am into a lot of Tron DApps. I'm on the IOST side of things as well. I'm involved in a few projects on that side, and I'm just trying to get I'm trying to get my Tron working for me, right? So I'm putting Tron in. I'm trying to get Tron, a little bit of Tron divs every day, and then possibly reinvest or just save. I'm also doing the same thing on the IOST side. I've put some IOST in. I also have a node, so if you're interested in supporting the channel, you can always vote for the node. I have a node there, so I'm trying to get a lot of resources working while I'm sleeping, because for me, crypto, this is a great question for me. What is crypto to you? Crypto to me, when I first got involved, it was an opportunity for me to get financial freedom, and you're not going to get financial freedom if you're not making money while you sleep. Warren Buffett said that. So I am trying to work different angles. This is obviously a test account, and I'm looking to use the Tron side, IOST side, possibly even feed this, or even use this to feed IOST or Tron, because IOST right now used to be 3-to-1 to Tron. Now it's about 4-to-1, or the price is dropping. on it, and it's definitely at a pretty low price. I think it just hit, it might have hit half a cent. I don't even know if it's not even going to show USD. Oh yeah, so it doesn't look, it looks like it's at a really low point right now, but it has a lot of upside. And you know, I think that IOST can definitely do something in the Chinese market. So hopefully you guys found this video helpful, interesting. Like I said, I am testing out this bot. It hasn't been running consistently for about I'm trying to run it for at least a month, and then I'm going to show you, but I just want to kind of expose you where I'm at right now. So I'll show you my sales log. I have about 3 out of 70 trades that went negative. And it wasn't even a big negative. I don't even know, like right here, it could have kept buying, but I think it must have sent something that it didn't like at the time, and then panic sold, which is fine by me. I don't mind, because at a consistent basis, like there's a few here. I'm more or less looking at the percentage versus the USD value, just because it's trading in Bitcoin, because I want more Bitcoin. So right now it's doing really good in terms of winning trades. So it was about 3 negative trades, and out of 70. So that's really good in my opinion. So I'm gonna keep testing this out, and then I'll show you updates. Bent Crypto, if you guys need anything, like I said, join us in Greenhouse Decentralized Minds. Peace.